Hello students, now we are going to discuss about Bangle Sellers written by Sarojini Naidu. This is your third lesson in your first sem. Now coming to the author introduction, Sarojini Naidu was born in Hyderabad on February 13th, 1879 and was educated in Chennai, London and Cambridge. She was born in a Bengali family. She was also a freedom fighter and poet of modern India. She was married to a medical doctor from Andhra whose name was Dr. Govindarajulu Naidu and settled down in Hyderabad. She was also a great politician, orator and administrator. She also involved in freedom struggle and was the trusted ambassador of Mahatma Gandhi, and she was also an outstanding public speaker. She was elected as the President of Indian National Congress in 1925. She also worked for women's education and campaigned against Parda. She became the governor of Uttar Pradesh in independent India and was recognized as a major poet with the publication of her first book of poetry, The Golden Threshold, which was written in 1905. This is about Sarojini Naidu. Now coming to the poem, The Bangle Sellers. Was taken from Naidu's second collection of poetry, The Bird of Time, written in 1912. Okay, it was taken from The Bird of Time, which was written in 1912. See, in this poem, Sarojini Naidu explains, Sarojini Naidu says about the women, girls, all aged women, according to the situation, which type of bangles they wear. Okay, so with different colors, designs and bangles, different types of buyers ranging from new brides to young girls to older women. Okay, and here the bangle seller talks about different bangles that Indian women wear. So here now coming to the poem. So here the bangle sellers take their bangles to sell near the temple fairs. Okay, means jataras. Okay, the bangle sellers takes bangles to temple fairs. Okay, what will they do? They carry their shining loads of bangles, means different colors of bangles to the temple fair, and they will arrange there and they will sell it. So the bangles are colorful, bright in color, circle in shape, delicate, bright, and here the bangles are compared with rainbow tinted circles of light. Means what? Different types of bangles, different colors of bangles which are very shining, and the bangles, by seeing at the bangles, the woman becomes happy. So they make the woman happy. The bangles attract the poet because of its color. So here all the women will be attracted by the appearance of their color. Women love to wear bangles according to the different situations. Okay, different types of functions. So here the poet describes the different colors of bangles used by different women according to their ages. Okay, according to their ages. So the poet says that, see here first of all he talks about the maidens, next brides, next girls, next mothers, like that he will discuss one by one. She will discuss one by one. Okay, now first the poet says that maidens wish to wear silver and blue color bangles. Maidens means who? Maidens wear silver and blue color bangles. So, okay. Next, they also choose reddish color bangles. They also choose reddish color bangles. So, maidens means who? Young women means unmarried young women wish to wear silver and blue color bangles and also reddish color bangles. Some maidens also choose green color bangles. Which type of green color? It looks like the color of newborn leaves. So, newborn leaves color will be there, no? That type of green color bangles also maidens will choose to wear. Okay. Next, coming to the brides. Brides means who? Brides means marry, the girl who is going to marry means pelli kooturu. Okay. Now here the brides choose corn colored bangles. Okay. And also the bangles of fire color. The fire colored bangles are like the color of the fire during their marriage. Why they will choose fire color means so in the marriages we will keep fire in the center, no? So they like the fire color bangles which are like the color of the fire during their marriage. Okay. Next, here fire color bangles are tingling, luminous, tender and clear like her bridal loafer and bridal tear. So at the time of marriage the bridals will be very happy and also they will be very sad. So two types of emotions will be carried by her. Okay. Now coming to the mothers. Okay. So next coming to the mother. So before going that, this fire colored bangles during their marriage I said, no? So some are rich with colors of her heart's desire. So some colors will be of her heart's desire. They make soft sounds just as the bride makes at the time of a wedding. Okay. And here so here the married woman will be very happy because she was getting married, and she also weeps. Why? Because she is going to leave her parents. Okay. So that's why they will carry two types of emotions. Now coming to the mothers. Mothers who have experienced life. So means they have completed their life. Why? From maidens to brides to now came to the stage of mothers, means they have experienced the almost all life. They choose purple and gold flecked grey color bangles. Okay. Which type of colors they choose? Mothers will choose. They used to choose purple and gold flecked grey color bangles. These bangles are suitable for a middle-aged woman whose hands have cared tenderly, loved, blessed and cradled her fair sons and pray to God by sitting with their husbands. See, here these bangles are suitable for middle-aged women. So maximum all of the women who are married will be in the middle-aged. So they have experienced their total life by giving birth to a child, and they used to care them tenderly, sensitively, with so much of love and so many blessings to their sons and daughters, and they used to always pray to God. So they used to pray to God by making wishes to keep their family and everyone keep safe. So when they are praying to God, they will sit with their husbands. Okay. So in this way Sarojini Naidu used to explain, used to say the different types of bangles the women used to wear. Okay. This is about the poem The Bangle sellers.